英语多简单，听听就会啦！简单句，最地道的英语口语表达。学英语最好的方法就是大声地讲出来。
Ready, go!
Break it up.
把它分开。
Break it up.
Break it up. Break it up.
They broke up.
他们分手了。
They broke up.
They broke up. They broke up.
Break a leg.
祝你好运。
Break a leg.
Break a leg. Break a leg.
What's your deal?
你什么意思？
What's your deal?
What's your deal? What's your deal?
It's no big deal.
没什么大不了的。
It's no big deal.
It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
He's a big deal.
它很重要。
He's a big deal.
He's a big deal. He's a big deal.
I'm broke.
我破产了。
I'm broke.
I'm broke. I'm broke.
What a shame.
太遗憾了。
What a shame.
What a shame. What a shame.
Shame on you.
你真丢脸。
Shame on you.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Bring it on.
放马过来。
Bring it on.
Bring it on. Bring it on.
Want to tag along?
想一起吗？
Want to tag along?
Want to tag along? Want to tag along?
Who made this?
谁做的这个？
Who made this?
Who made this? Who made this?
Do you want it?
你想要吗？
Do you want it?
Do you want it? Do you want it?
He is a mess.
它很乱。
He is a mess.
He is a mess. He is a mess.
I messed up.
我搞砸了。
I messed up.
I messed up. I messed up.
Stop messing around.
别瞎闹了。
Stop messing around.
Stop messing around. Stop messing around.
Not on my watch.
在我这儿不行。
Not on my watch.
Not on my watch. Not on my watch.
I'm losing my mind.
我快疯了。
I'm losing my mind.
I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind.
He's losing it.
他快失控了。
He's losing it.
He's losing it. He's losing it.
It might come in handy.
这可能会派上用场。
It might come in handy.
It might come in handy. It might come in handy.
What's the hurry?
急什么？
What's the hurry?
What's the hurry? What's the hurry?
I'm not really sure.
我不太确定。
I'm not really sure.
I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure.
超过一半啦，继续努力。
Is that too much to ask?
这要求太高吗？
Is that too much to ask?
Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to ask?
This helps a lot.
这很有帮助。
This helps a lot.
This helps a lot. This helps a lot.
You look different today.
你今天看起来不一样。
You look different today.
You look different today. You look different today.
That stressed me out.
那让我压力很大。
That stressed me out.
That stressed me out. That stressed me out.
I've had it.
我受够了。
I've had it.
I've had it. I've had it.
I can't stand it.
我受不了了。
I can't stand it.
I can't stand it. I can't stand it.
That's enough.
够了。
That's enough.
That's enough. That's enough.
I'm stuffed.
我吃饱了。
I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed. I'm stuffed.
I'm all stuffed up.
我鼻子塞住了。
I'm all stuffed up.
I'm all stuffed up. I'm all stuffed up.
Don't you dare.
你敢试试？
Don't you dare.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
How dare you?
你怎么敢？
How dare you?
How dare you? How dare you?
She got knocked out.
他被打晕了。
She got knocked out.
She got knocked out. She got knocked out.
She got knocked up.
她怀孕了。
She got knocked up.
She got knocked up. She got knocked up.
He's completely out.
他彻底出局了。
He's completely out.
He's completely out. He's completely out.
It's been a while.
好久不见。
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Don't be a grump.
别发牢骚。
Don't be a grump.
Don't be a grump. Don't be a grump.
Why are you so grumpy?
你为什么这么烦躁？
Why are you so grumpy?
Why are you so grumpy? Why are you so grumpy?
Don't be a Grinch.
别扫兴。
Don't be a Grinch.
Don't be a Grinch. Don't be a Grinch.
Keep your chin up.
振作起来。
Keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up.
Say it to my face.
当面说出来。
Say it to my face.
Say it to my face. Say it to my face.
Stop bullshitting me.
别骗我了。
Stop bullshitting me.
Stop bullshitting me. Stop Stop bullshitting me.
He's full of it.
他满嘴胡话。
He's full of it.
He's full of it. He's full of it.
Yeah, you did
今
it!
天你还在坚持吗？如果你有了哪怕一点点收获，留言告诉我。加油！
记得订阅才能找到我哦。